Bad cough. Oh, it's such a bad cough. Bad cough. Oh, see, I can do it better than you. Now you're gonna get pissed? Hey.
Everything else okay? Good. Okay, G. All right.
But I gotta tell you, I don't like what I'm hearing.
What? What's the matter? What's the matter?
Relax. Oh, I wish you had one.
Bad cough. That's a bad cough.
Hey, whoa, whoa. Take it easy. That Korean Kim, something about your cousin.
What are you looking at?
A ghostess is.
Killed in a truck. What do you want me to do about it? Yeah, it's okay. Fire. Go ahead. Put him on the 43 floor again.
I'm gonna have to chop some of this out.
You could do this Mazaron thing. If it goes. What the hell is wrong with you? The man is trying to be straight. Don't you give a damn about your cousin? Sorry, kid.
Who's here?